All right, so you need to create a web page in HTML, and you're going to use Notepad. So if you go down here, type in the search Notepad, and it will come up. So everything that you've been doing so far with Code Academy, you are now going to do for real. So you're going to say that you want to create a website, HTML. Then there's two parts to the website, the head and the body. And you also have to close out everything. So you have to say, I don't want the body open anymore. And I don't want the web page anymore. And it's the same thing with the head. I don't want the head anymore. Inside the head is only the top part of the website. So if you go online, it's only this title up here where it says Google or whatever you call it. So let's go back down here. I want a title. And my title is going to be, I was going to say awesome website, but not that. Whoever the name of your person is. So let's go generic with Bill Gates. Probably should go Mac, but that's okay. I'll go PC here. So we've got Bill Gates. Now we're all done with our title. And that's that. That's it. That's all we're doing with that. Everything that we are going to do now is in the body, because the body of the website is all this stuff. Everything you see, everything you want in there, including the image that you created once upon a time. Okay, so there's a lot going on with that. I'm going to scroll down here. This is the sheet that you have. One thing we're going to focus on is the image. So that image that you created, your collage, it has to end with .png. That means in Illustrator, you went to File and Save for Web, and you created that image file. If you didn't do that, you have to do that in Illustrator. Okay, so we can put, and I'm just going to put that in there, img src, that's image source, equals last name, first name, and that's what you wrote, not those specific words. Collage.png. Very important, every single letter counts. So what this is saying is I'm going to have a website that just has an image in it. Okay. Now we need to save it. We need to save it a very specific, picky way, and if you don't do it right, it's not going to be an image, or I'm sorry, a website. Right now it's a text file. Bad. Very, very, very bad. Now, I can't show you from my computer here at home, but if you would want to save in your G drive, so go to your G drive, create a new folder. That's also going to be last name, first name, technology. This is the folder that holds your entire website. So you need to be inside of that. You gotta change this. Very, 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 very important. You can't save this as a text file. So the way that you change that is saying index.html. It's going to change it to an HTML file. That means a web page. Index.html. That's what you call your first page. That is the only thing you call your first page. Save it. Okay. So now if we go to that folder, don't mind my 10,000 things here. What did I call it? Last name, first name, technology. There it is. Index. And you know it's an HTML file because right here it looks like Google Chrome. Yours might look like Explorer. It just depends on what the default is. Okay, so it's a web page. But I said I wanted an image in there. The image has to be there. If you don't do that, it's not going to work for you. So you need an image in there. And it needs to look like this folder. This folder needs to look like this, where your image is in there. How do you do that? Well, I have 10,000 pictures, so let's see. Let me just find something. There we go. I'm going to copy this, and no, I'm going to copy a flower. Copy the flower, and so that's going to be your image. And I'm going to go back to my folder that's called last name, first name, technology, and paste that there. Yours will be called last name, first name, collage. That's what you need to put in your website, whatever it's called. Okay? So right now, this is this. If I click on this right here and open it up, I will see my web page. I don't see my image. If you don't see your image, that's bad. You need to go back and make sure everything is identical. The name of your image is also the name that's in the index page that you created. Okay, there it is. Look at that, Bill Gates. That's my title. This is my head. All right, that's all I've got for now for you.